Enti every Saturday no eba ne one of the hottest trending topic Daddy Lumba what nanom said our demigod, our music demigod Daddy Lumba atwa nanom said ama one for bi question say eden na cool Daddy Lumba eden na cool Daddy Lumba say am no kase oba be say ya santoa afia kokodrufo afia ya santoa what the explosive abegbo mo be kire nipa ko a enam ne nsa so a say DL Daddy Lumba afa so awuo no Afia Schwar exposeș aba memo ahwe ne nsema oka na fesu come A+ abeka nsem bi na nsema mo ati na wa kire wadwen ewo ho ama me ewo comment section aha Penyah block media mesra say any demo obe like video no under ma subscribe button na ba kire ke notification latest updates na ba kire wadwen de ama me ewo comment section mesra so ba so a no achieve no for so anya bi ahwe etenyina nim ade a arhosem a yese eto Ghana eye me de twa mu ye no Daddy Lumba me kwa na mo ason dem come here Adventist na me aso dem I don't say no. Trend said Daddy Lumba. What I say? I said no. Said Daddy Lumba so okay. I said dear then I see. Later, I don't say no. Free for make you post that munyai called Daddy Lumba or that's Etias. I will for the record show hosts or Tias and so okay. Any Ghana for the Mokasa. Daddy Lumba you be a modern man not born. We toss there be a dear. It's a Ghana for one de be a dear no kunipa. I say Ghana for one de be a dear no kunipa. But unfortunately, every animal me pon the church. I don't say there be. It is confirmed. I said Daddy Lumba. Sabi. Enyanyi watwa nanom ewo ensedo I say the family and the management team and the press statement ebe confirm say Daddy Lumba no kwese watwa nanom ewo say I say na yare and no DSC na Daddy Lumba ewe no and nsem bebrebe na start say e pie free mo he meti many rumors it is na yere ne poison no ema ni Williams na yere kra na yere nipa ba ya ehoro mo say there be TikTok abi abeso ho live ewo TikTok na wa blast say wa Amihere say say wa Amihere Anna, what poison DM say, hey, I could our evidence there, cause onim say na so betima yehye. And some dey bebrebe na and by na man for start air target say wa me say, so me munya botre. Cause say wa me here there. Anyone who could DL, oh no. She was just a die-hard fan of DL. We were breaking a DL celebrating the 60th birthday in 24 September kwan. Now ne say wa me here kwan na air boom ewo. Stage na omu nyina na air perform kama. Tell man for cry as me say, oh, any dear call ne say wa me here. Will be na Saturday, just some connection be na be can out to a deal.
So who is leading the youth in Ashaman? Now Stoneboy Wujina, Ashaman Road whistle, and a foot trap ball, and a Wujina say you are not going to make any car pass until the president responds to you. Do you know what's going to happen? Kwasiato. You can't ask my menaya me ya. You can't ask my you are insulting me. You can't ask also be Apache. Apache now to Apache now say to but damn. Look at Daddy Lumba. Osrano bo we get time bin in Ghana ajantira nyom since so born you want him Daddy Lumba or Ghana when we say we lead any positive pact no or chairman kwasia for the time we do not be bon kwasia ajantira nom na enkwara ne de akire or nam ha Daddy Lumba obo so de nam so no ko wuso otwe omo publicity na omo wono omo kind of following no they don't impact the society they don't. And I'll say the same to my friend Shatawale. The same bullshit happening. They are not using what they have to impact the society. And the numbers of people who are following these people, the young people who have trust in these people have disappointed them. Shatawale is the biggest artist in Ghana. On the street, he controls it. In the churches, he controls it. He controls homes. Ask me, my own friend, what has he done? Nothing. He has not been able to capitalize on sad number no one to make any impact. And you guys are missing it. You are missing the point. You people are making politicians use you people. The talent God has given you, you are not able to extend it to help the young people who have supported your career and your trade. Ya kama swana mbuofu, sa kwa dia kwa siampenyi ni namgana. A dear na we lead impactful. Nothing. I don't even want to talk about the woman. And man, because me can't ban it will turn into something else. The foolishness is too much. When you come to developed countries, do you know what celebrities, the impact they make, the pressure they put on government? Yatiana Jay-Z Jubilee House, White House. Yatiana Kanye West White House. Even for Kim Kardashians, Omuraho, they went for something. They went there because they wanted to help their people. Mode the money man said the bian kwasia di put the politicians echi. Black Star ko match Stoneboy betonyom. Heda na samwa asa patre. Heda na samwa I say patre. I say Burkina Kotrebia, Woma Sinechi, Shadina Samoa. Jimmy on to me. These people all over the place. One can be some where do you atom, where do you atom, and Quasia Foshi studio can Quasia some near so. Ashama is a typical example. Where is your stone boy? Where is your stone boy? Where is he? Or no, or say on a number, they can't live in the dust. Today that you are going through the dust, these fools have disappeared. Yatia enche bi obeba, oh Ashama to the world. Now young people near Jimmy near Dinechi. Now pachi odi enim. No target. Na ba kuna be gina so dey target na ebu anu sumu a afede obe mem kwasi asam nko a eh Kevin say stone boy apache stone boy dey.
Na enya no nko a Kwame A+, eye Kwame Asare oben Kwame A+. Eso e dey hint bi about chire oh e wo ye de mote say abuziafo ka say na oyare ana wawuo no ne enya no nko a there are more to it. Just bebre wo ho no mu a ono Kwame A+, now dey yedi aro nti dey ni areho ni yedi areho ni wi a ono Kwame A+, or the expose bi ebeba be boom no ha be tire ni bakura ana say ade portia ekun DL ade portia ekun Daddy Lumba ana say ejamafo e won ah eye poison na say e de ba ade portia ekun Daddy Lumba na eye de ba asemo eye de no wu ye Afia Schwar Afia Santoa e the expose bi abebom a o tire say eye bang of hospital be Daddy Lumba call hospital no oda no e ho ana ni won efri bae omu ana ekunu yenko tesire Afia Schwar ezika nsem emra
Kwadwofos was nothing than a lover. He was loved everywhere he is. He was nothing but love. Everything no me born in your mommy didn't no hospital. The bank hospital. The bank hospital. The bank hospital. You see, all of you should be ashamed of yourself. The bank hospital. You should be ashamed of yourself and embrace yourself for a legal action. The bank hospital. Embrace yourself. E come my friend hyper loss. Minim said your friend will mukrumo. So we are now person protected with dignity or privacy. I don't go to the bank hospital. It's the most useless private hospital in Ghana. The doctors and the nurses in the bank hospital, they don't know how to keep quiet. Nobody is private in that hospital. Me pacho, we are no, and the doctors and the nurses for no. Doctor-patient confidentiality, it does not work in the bank hospital. Sakwasi hospital no, ukwa wanachesa we are stupid. It's the most stupid, useless motherfucker hospital ever existed in Ghana, full of foolish people. Mama me kwana me mbabusia for money the widow, according to my uncle's driver, the widow bed them mobunko to the power macho. Baby me that's it. It's one thing. As a doctor or a nurse, you would have no business announcing the death of your patient to anybody. It is one thing. For the hyper law, the doctor-patient confidentiality is one thing. It's a whole different thing for a widow to kneel down and beg you. Say, mommy, mommy, existed is the bank hospital. Anybody that goes to the bank hospital for any sort of treatment is a fool. It's a big fool because your health situation is all over. Once you had that bonte, and your nurse is a hospital, and the detainer say of a kudu. You don't respect the widow. You don't respect the widow. You don't. Ghana nurses, Jimmy. Because I'm what Jimmy Amontias here. Ghana nurses have been stupid, foolish people. So, many manaya come man over Jimmy, they are under punishment. And those women in Amo Basabas and few over Jimmy. They are under punishment. No mayaka. Come from a Busao. The bank hospital consultation going about 1,000 Ghana. Now to go to a hospital and pay any money and they cannot protect your privacy. What is your purpose there? The bank hospital is the most useless. It's the most useless hospital ever existed in Ghana. It's the most useless hospital ever existed. Employing stupid people. You are not even safe there. Said you may want for who you know with the barbontaina. If you are protecting your privacy, not in that hospital, they can't keep their mouth shut. They are foolish set of health workers. Maybe that may want fire say. Odobroni. Oh, Odobroni. Hey, Oba, Abaywa, let me shower. Wako contain. Oh, Odobroni. Emudia woman busia famanie, emudia woman pamanie. Obi jina chira. Eye ne se eye pan no ne majiri. Na me de menyim de wo hu. Ena menyim de wa fam. Odobroni onyame shawate. Senya wa gofa kodwon kokko da. Nyame shawate. Onyame shawoden. Onyame kawo Odobroni. Onyame shaw. Sasamaite asia. Fakodun shraw. You are a good woman. You are a strong woman. You fought battles in silence. Mommy, yes, I am a friend. Mommy, me shawate. We need Daddy Lumba interchange. He was a demigod. Meme wafa. Searching Yamekase. African Michael. Me friend no Asante Nyame. Enumu Nyame. Me wafa. Obie na no ana hu nyina ahye me drum. He was my demigod. No Nyame mame.
From London hotels to Paris apartments or Tokyo hostels, explore stays worldwide on the app.
Semi mama say, or semi mama someone check on me, but he does it every week. Me recording and me fan coma, me mama who say, or check on me. With my uncle was my problem be anyhow. He was loving on Kodwenchi. He was telling me how much I could drink to Buano and then the DLFM. And he told me, say, if you ask me, okay, I have 20 years as a Walker. He told me how he has given up on his dream of owning a radio station, but Kodwenchi came through. You see, can't afford. He wasn't like me. Of I could do any pass some Hannah. Obefa camera, no kind of way. But all the lies you were throwing at him, it was hurting him. It was. Mama Lumba Wui and Kanjamu say every celebrity is a human being. Uncle was in pain. Sometimes when he calls me, I can't pick camera and come and say, yeah. He was in pain. You killed him. You killed him. You killed him. The lies killed him. Your lies. Everything that you were throwing at him. Was so much for him to bear. I'm telling you, people. Not every celebrity is a Afia Schwar. Not everyone can pick camera and also speak their mind. He had a lot of things. You killed him. You catch him. Sometimes in suddenly people also tear. When you will be over catcher, no. When you will be sometimes he will call me and ask me, if you are being the Pabonini Sana, you killed him. I'm killing you. He was fighting his own battles, yet every stone was thrown at him as if he didn't have battles, as if he didn't have blood. The whole world is celebrating Lumba now. But if the whole world has celebrated him, instead of spewing lies at him, instead of you all packaging rumors and making it as the truth. I hope you are all happy now. I hope you are all happy. I hope you know that me offer 1 month we need 5 years. I hope you know that through your lies you've rendered somebody an orphan. I just hope you know. You should go about and congratulate yourselves. You should go about and congratulate yourselves. Obi Fedro and Numuye. Obi Fansa and Numuye. Etro said, I killed myself, nobody killed me. But if you are seeing in our share, you know, Bonsam Daddy Lumba. The channel. My uncle was deeply hurt. He was traumatized. He was sleepless. He asked me, that do I also think he can kill somebody? some of what I hope said them open money. Afibia will be papa to Lumba. When you circulate those rumors, do you know what you are doing to the family? To him? To his poor young wife? So be a what? So be a what? I feel the Lumba. You never could try from my family could try. Whatever you wanted him to die for, it is here. Enjoy it. I just came to say only one thing. And the only thing is, for consecutive 7 months of this year, he had a lot to say about what you people are saying about him. And he was worried. He was sad. Sometimes he questioned himself. Says, "Nipa betinya kaweni na family wo dia na chese metimi aye." He had a heavy heart. Our last 2-3 conversations were heavy.
So according to Afia Schwar, how early reportage hospital be ye no. O Afia Schwar say na ka Daddy Lumba onye nwu but early reportage omdin ka de ba early in the morning around 9 na me mu aso de me hu ye no. O kire say eno ana Daddy Lumba hu ye say niam hye no a e ma no etimi eto ananom e wo ense do. We ne nsem Afia Schwar so eka. Ubetima kire wa adwene ama me e wo comment. There are more to these stories to come. Penyah Media.